If you've ever found yourself frustrated with a messy timeline in CapCut PC or wish there was an easier way to organize your project, this tutorial is for you. Today, I'll show you how to group videos and actually any timeline assets using CapCut's Create Compound Clip feature. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to tidy up your workflow in CapCut PC and keep your edits neat and manageable, no matter how many clips you're working with. All right, let's jump right in and see how grouping works in CapCut. First up, you want to choose which clips or assets you'd like to group together. Think of this like gathering ingredients before baking a cake. On your timeline, you might have several video clips, maybe some audio tracks, effects, or even text layers. To select them, simply hold down the Shift key or the Control key on your keyboard while clicking on each item you want. Shift is perfect if the clips are all lined up next to each other, while Control lets you cherry-pick clips scattered across your timeline. Take your time here. Making sure you've got everything you want included in your group is key. If you're not sure you've grabbed the right assets, just zoom out a touch or scroll along the timeline to double-check. Once all your desired clips are highlighted and you can see that they're selected, usually they'll have a little border or highlighted color letting you know. Here comes the next step, right-clicking. When you right-click on any one of those selected clips, you'll open up a handy context menu, which is like your shortcut to all sorts of useful actions in CapCut. It's a small detail, but it's good to note. You can right-click on any of the selected items, not just the first one you selected. So don't worry if you accidentally right-click on a clip in the middle or at the end of your selection, the menu will work just the same. Now, in that menu, look for the option called Create Compound Clip. Sometimes, depending on your CapCut version or language setting, it might be called Group or Nest. Each of these does essentially the same thing. When you click this, CapCut instantly combines everything you selected into what's called a compound clip. Think of this as scooping up all your chosen assets and wrapping them up in a neat container on your timeline. Instead of seeing multiple clips, you'll see just one new item, the compound clip. This might take a few moments, especially if you've selected a lot of assets, boss. So don't worry if CapCut pauses for a second. Now, your timeline isn't cluttered with lots of little pieces. You can move this compound clip anywhere on your timeline, cut it, or even apply effects to it, and everything inside will be affected all at once. It's like decluttering your workspace, so you can focus on creativity rather than constantly wrangling separate pieces. This feature is a real lifesaver for bigger projects. For example, let's say you've edited together an intro sequence with video, sound effects, and titles. By grouping them, you can shift the whole intro around in your video without losing sync between the assets. Or, if you want to apply a specific color filter to all your grouped clips, just add it to the compound clip and you're done. No repeating the same edit on every single layer. And that's all there is to it. With compound clips, you're able to take control of your timeline and make editing in CapCut PC more efficient and organized. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and drop your questions or project tips in the comments so we can help each other out. Don't forget to subscribe for more CapCut tips and editing tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.